Hi, I'm Sara Capela and I'm a professional makeup artist, and this is the lovely Mira, our model for today. And we're here today to talk to you about amazing ways to use highlighter. So let's start with the application. Now Mira has a beautiful bone structure, but again with highlighting we want to bring that forward. So I've taken a bit of a liquid highlighter and let's focus on the, just turn a bit, cheekbones. So I'm going to apply just a little bit here. Now let's take the same highlighter and apply it on the bridge of the nose. Now what this is going to do is give the illusion that your nose is a little bit finer and sharper, especially the bridge. Now I'm going to take, again, the same brush and I'm going to use a little bit on the chin. Again, this is just to add glow everywhere. And now, because I'm going to use it on smaller areas, I'm going to change my brush. So I've taken a slightly smaller brush where I can use for detailed work. And I'm going to take this and apply it just here on the Cupid's bow, just above the lips. And what this does is create that pout. Now let's say you have thin lips and you want to make them look a little bit bigger. You can also apply a little bit of highlighter on the center, just after you've applied your lipstick. Another area where you would apply is on the brow bone. And finally, another area which I like to do is the inner corner of the eyes. So we're gonna just pop it here. Now, there's already quite a bit of highlighter happening. If you want to take it to the next level, there's also powder highlighter. So I'm going to pop this on top of what I've already done. Turn a bit this way. Yeah. And if you guys see, now this will make a huge difference. This is how you get that glass skin, shiny skin effect. So just make sure you use it in the areas which I've specified, which are the height planes of your face. So cheekbones, nose bridge, Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, under the brow bone, and inner corner of the eyes. So yeah, Mira looks beautiful, like a glowing goddess, and she's ready to go.